Hello! NFT Bunny Love presents How to Struggle in English Words Step by Step. Also, that's my bunny as an NFT version. And before I start, I shall quickly say that this video was made for just fun. So enjoy. Here we go. So is it gnome or gnome? Gnome or gnome? Okay, is it bull or bull? Huh? Is it bull or bull? Is it cookie or kukai? It sounds better, isn't it? Like kukai. So it should be kukai anyway. Or is it police or polike? Or maybe it could be police. Who knows? Police, polike, police. Polike is the best, I think. Anyway, is it banana or banane? Could be both. Banana or banane. Is it office or office or office? And again, who knows? Office or office or office? And this is the best one. Is it Christmas or Christmas? Or is it Christmas? Christmas is the best. What do you think? Christmas? Christmas? Or is it Christmas? It's quite festive, isn't it? Also, did you know, as a bonus, every sea in below spelled differently? Check this out now. Pacific Ocean. Yeah, every sea is spelled differently. Pacific Ocean. Yeah, try at home. But the best one was still Christmas, wasn't it? That's all the struggle for now. I hope I didn't give you brain damage. If I did, I'm so sorry. I hope you enjoyed. Have a nice, great day. Like, subscribe, comment. If you are in the off fike, and just don't do anything. Bye.